Infant feeding and burping. Gather all materials. This is to save time and energy. Assemble the sterilized bottle using tongs to avoid contamination. Prepare the milk formula. Read or check the label of formulation or as ordered. Add warm water as prescribed. This is to ensure the formulation is correct. As for this, I am using 1:1. Do not tap the milk. Use a spatula. Tapping the milk will increase the amount of formulation. Mix the feeding bottle using palm-to-palm technique or circular technique. This mixes the milk without blocking the nipple hole with milk powder. Next is to prepare the infant. Check the diaper. Dress infant in comfortable clothes. Should be awake and hungry. Feeding time should be the opportunity to bond with the infant. Arrange a quiet room and comfortable chair. Position the infant. Cradle the baby with one hand and arm. Football hold. Proper position will provide comfort and security. Place bib or small towel under infant's chin. Protect infant's clothing from vomit. Next to stimulate rooting reflex. Causes a child to turn towards the nipple. Insert filled nipple. Hold bottle upside down. Prevents baby from sucking air. Burp baby at least once during feeding, half and at the end. This is releases swallowed air and promotes completion of bottle feeding. Put a clean towel or receiving blanket over your shoulder or wherever the baby's head will rest. This is to protect you from vomit. There are three kinds of position in burping. The first one is bulldog position. The second one is knee to chest position. The third one is shoulder to chest position. This is to prevent from colic. Continue feeding until infant is satisfied and burp at the end of the feeding. Complete feeding allows the baby to feel satisfied. Once done, check the diaper. If the diaper is wet and soiled, change it before returning infant to crib for screen protection. Place in bed on his stomach or right side. Aids in emptying stomach and prevents regurgitation. Aftercare and hand washing reduces cross-contamination and transmission of microorganisms.